Good afternoon. That's oral portions. Prepare my high interval. My name is Edgar Raúl Godoy Beltrán, 74-186-926. Tutor John Jairo Ruiz. Hello, Raúl. Good morning. What afternoon. Could you tell me a lie about yourself? Hello, what afternoon. Of course, I am 40 years old. I was born in Duitama, Boyacá. I am fun. I study psychology. I like ride bicycle. I listen music. I alone. I have a small doctor in the work area. I am very responsible, honest, agile, collaboration. What do Joanne want to work for this company? This company offers the opportunity to perform Harvard that high that starting student psychology is what it wishes I can gain experience. Sun is a large company that provides a variety of service relat- related psychology support. What, what are your goals for to for it, what it will was some igual some is psychology. I would like and the psychology would like continue working is company to be a clean to clean over time until I get I place software as my personal goal. I happy to create a contributions made by myself and to able to travel throughout Latin America to learn about different cultures. Why that you create strength and works. I am punctual person, creative, keep problem solving, They are cheap responsibility and concern myself to be at them player and forward to keep your call by agents have young hands which can make fruits and these are stir fry. Can you do me a little more about the CEO transfer from your previous line of work over the Procter grade? My name is Browns. I offer psychology support for children. I work in the school where I guide and help children when they have access by ball and bullying and going home. She have their academic performance. Oh, okay, thank you to your file your time.